Hey, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly like and subscribe. It would be a great help to us. Thank you, and
Hi
let's
guys,
start.
morning. Here, another vlog with Ann and Mark. We're cooking here some shrimps. She already marinated it, clean and marinated. Okay, and here's our spices. Okay, sabi unahon na to ni Juan, akong assistant chef. Ahos. Okay. Okay. Naglibog sila alala pangutana asa ko rin unahon. Ahos ba o ang Bombay? It depends, no? Yeah, Bombay ba? Add half of the Bombay kay later na kanang uban kay mawa naman na after sa pagluto at least makita kay mukha Bombay. Now next is the red pepper and the ginger. What we're doing right now is what they call sauteing. And the green pepper. Okay, now comes the shrimp. Let it dive. Wow. Turn the fire back to high. Alright. Okay guys, see that the back of the shrimp is already open because Anne already cleaned it. This is Pong style of cooking. Okay, thank you guys for watching Ann and Mark's vlog. As you can see, Ann is already eating, see? Hindi kahuwat. See you guys for another vlog. Bye.
Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It'll be a great help to us. Thank you for watching.